Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to use AFFI, a comprehensive affiliate management solution designed to empower both WooCommerce store admins and affiliates. To get started with AFFI, install the plugin via the WordPress plugin directory or by uploading the downloaded zip file. Once installed, activate the plugin to unlock all its features. You'll now see the AFFI menu in your admin dashboard. Next, configure the plugin settings. We'll learn each settings page to see what you can customize and control. Under General Settings, you can configure key options to customize how your affiliate program operates. First, define how affiliate links are structured with base link, prefix, and link format. Then, enable affiliate registration and configure other options like notifications or where the affiliate can access their dashboard. Over here, edit the message that will show up inside the register pop-up. The share settings allow you to customize the sharing options for affiliates, including buttons, text, and supported social platforms. The commission settings page allows you to define the core rules for how affiliate commissions are calculated. You can set the default commission structure, decide if affiliates can earn commissions on their own purchases, and determine whether taxes should be included in commission calculations. The payment settings enable you to manage payout requests, supported payment methods, and processing fees. Create and manage affiliate ranks to reward high-performing affiliates. Give the rank a name and maybe a description box, define its type, set a badge, and a performance goal that affiliates must achieve to be promoted to this rank. When an affiliate reaches this rank, they'll receive the bonus value set in the rank amount field. That will be added to the default commission. For example, if the default commission is 5%, affiliates at this rank can receive an additional percentage or fixed amount. In this section, we'll show you how to add, enable, and disable email notifications for various important events. Set up email notifications to keep both affiliates and admins informed about key events, such as registration approvals, payouts, and rank updates. The affiliate dashboard provides affiliates with tools to track their performance, view earnings, and manage payout requests. Affiliates can access their dashboard via the My Account page or by appending the affiliate endpoint to the account URL. In this section, affiliates can view their unique affiliate link, which includes the base link, prefix, and link format, as configured by the admin in the general settings. Additionally, they can access performance reports to track their progress. In the Product tab, affiliates can find affiliate links for all site products and easily copy them for sharing. The Transaction tab provides detailed records of orders placed via affiliate links, including order status, value, and commissions earned. Notifications keep affiliates informed about important updates such as registration status, rank changes, and payouts. In the Payout tab, affiliates can view all their withdrawal requests with their details, update their payment details, and request payouts. Admins can manually add affiliates, or users can register themselves as affiliates during account creation or from their account settings. From the Affiliates List backend, admins can assign any registered user as an affiliate, set their rank, and activate their account. For users, they can register as affiliates during sign-up or later by navigating to their account settings and providing payment details. Affiliates have two ways to obtain their affiliate links. With a self-service method, they can always copy their unique links directly from the product tab in their dashboard. This option allows affiliates to manage their links independently. Another way, if the admin has enabled the share feature in the settings, affiliates can access shareable links directly on product pages or the shop page. This method requires the admin to configure the feature beforehand. When a customer places an order using an affiliate link, the order is tracked and commissions are calculated based on the plugin settings. First, the affiliate gets their unique link and promotes it on any platform or social media. If someone clicks on that link, it's counted as a visit. And if they complete an order through the link, the affiliate earns the commission once the order is finalized. In this part, we'll go through the process of placing a withdrawal request and how it's processed within the system. Affiliates can request payouts by entering an amount within the allowed range, considering the processing fee if applicable. Admin can then receive the request in their dashboard. From there, they can review the details and decide to keep the request pending or approve it. Any action taken by the admin will be reflected in the affiliate's dashboard, ensuring they stay informed about the status of their request. Admins can also manually create payout requests on behalf of affiliates by specifying the amount and assigning the request to the respective affiliate.